See if you can find their plate. I don't know where.
Wherever their plate
There's a pink, oh, it's underneath the straw right there. The pink plate in there.
Shoot.
Oh, let them out, yeah. Hurry up and get in there.
Shoot. Ow.
Good job, bud. Yeah.
Wherever their plate is.
Yeah, it's hiding.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yep.
Oh,
Just
I
turn it
found
over.
it.
Yep, make sure it's clean though, buddy. Like knock it on against the wood or something. Got turds on it or something. It's alright.
Alright. Oh, that's cool.
You can just dump out the,
Huh?
just dump the bag on the plate. You know what I mean? Don't fight, guys. Good job.
There you go.
Spread them out a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Perfect, dude.
They like
Just-
corn.
yeah,
They like
look at-
frozen corn.
She's always first. She's always
Lori's
first.
always first.
Yeah.
And this one's trying to get out.
No, she's alright. Bok bockity bok bok.
Stop fighting over the same one.
Oops.
Go get a different one.
Just focusing on the mesh. Okay, maybe I should go in. Should have got on with you. I got my boots on in here. There we go. Ladies, got your corn treats?
Be
They like
careful.
They like their swing. It's pretty cool.
Lopped off that swing.
She scratched it in the dirt. Thank you, Paul. Watch out. Let's do that. You gotta keep it on your plate.
Try to keep the food on the plate, thank you.
Here, let's get it.
I think there's two stuck together.
Yeah, clear out a spot. You know what I mean?
Is there like two of them stuck
Yeah, there's
together?
two stuck together. That's where they can't kick the hay on it. Yeah, ladies, peck away. Put the hay up against. Okay, there we go.
Come on.
That's all right. They'll get it. That's all right. It's the same one too. What are you doing? You're ruining it for
Oh,
everybody.
that one's the brat. Like,
Brat.
I'm gonna ruin it for everybody.
Look at her. Yeah, she chased Blue away. You're mean, dude.
You're the bully. You're the one that thinks you're the
You're
coolest
trying to
of
get
the
the
group.
corn. Hey. Yeah, that's a rooster. That's why. See the tail?
Mhm. Oh, that's a rooster.
Yep.
I never noticed. I'm an idiot. I never knew that was a male.
With this kind, these are Americaunas. That's how you can tell which one's the rooster from the tail. So, the dominance thing.
Dude, they got so big. Remember when they were like smaller?
Yeah.
Now they're really big.
See how the other ones don't have it. Hey, be nice there, Roosty. You be nice. Be nice. That's not nice. That is not nice. No. Okay. First one back. Gotta let the other girls eat too. Liam, take one and go bring it back to the girls.
Huh?
Take one and go put it back there on the ground. Take the double one. Yep, and go put it back there. Just on the ground somewhere so the girls can peck at it. Not in the dirt, just on the hay. Yeah. There you go. And Bluey ran away.
They don't like getting touched.